Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. When you see the welcome page on your screen, you can tap on this start button right here to continue. But before you do that, you can also tap on the phone icon right here to open the emergency calls if you need to call the emergency numbers. And you can also tap on this icon right here, the accessibility icon, to access the settings for some features like talkback, color inversion, my bad, high contrast keyboard, screen zoom, font size, magnification. You have also universal switch, assistant menu, and installed services right here. Okay. Once you're ready to continue, tap on the start button. Here we can select the language we want to use on our phone. To do it, simply scroll up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of languages, find the language you like to use, and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English, so let's find it, and here we have English United States, United Kingdom, and South Africa. Let's select the United States, like this, and then tap Next. Right now we can enable the mobile network, and to do it, simply tap on the switch right here. You can enable it or disable it. Of course, you need to have the SIM card inserted into your phone for the mobile network to work. Then tap Next. And right here we need to agree to the terms of use. And you can check the boxes next to options to check them, as you can see, and then you can tap on, you can tap on Next, or you can check the box right here at the bottom to check them all, and then tap Next. Now we can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step by tapping Skip, but I recommend to connect to one, so let's find the network, for example, this one. Then I need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, simply tap on Connect. And once you're connected, you can tap on Next right here to continue. Right here you can copy apps and data from the Google account. To do it, tap on Next and follow the instructions on the screen. But I want to set up this phone as new, so I'm gonna tap on Don't Copy. Right here we can log in into a Google account. You can also skip this step by tapping Skip button, but I'm gonna log into one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap Next. And now I need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap on Next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Here we can turn on and off some of the Google services by tapping the switch next to them, like this. When the button is grayed out, that means that the feature is disabled. If it's blue, that means that it's enabled. And after you're done, scroll all the way down and tap on Accept. Here we can select the search provider. Simply tap on the one you want to use, basically, to select it. I'm gonna select Google and then tap Next. Right here we can set up a screen lock method. Basically we can set up a password for our phone. You can set up face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN or password, but I'm gonna tap on skip right here, skip button to skip this step, then tap skip anyway. And now we can set up a Google Assistant. If you want to do it, tap on yes, I'm in, but I'm gonna tap on do it later because I don't want to do it now. And right here we can also review additional apps. Basically, the apps you select right here, as you can see the boxes are checked, the apps will be installed automatically on your phone. And you can check or uncheck the apps right here. You can also tap on them to see some information about them. And you can also tap on the box at the top to check or uncheck them all. I'm gonna uncheck them all in my case and then tap OK to confirm. And now let's tap on finish button, and at this point the setup should be complete, and it is. Here we can tap on continue, and again we have recommended apps right here. We can tap next and install, but you can also close it, I believe. Oh no, we can't, so let's uncheck the apps. I don't want to install them, and then tap install. And now the setup is complete. And that's how you go through the first setup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.